how to create Instagram account without phone number and email address. So if you want to create Instagram account without phone number and email address, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, go with your Google or your browser and search for temp SMSS. After that, just scroll down and select a country, any country that you're comfortable with, and then go and copy the phone number. Once you've copied the phone number, you need to paste it on your Instagram create page, and then you will receive the code right here on this page. Copy the code and paste it, and you won't need your personal phone number. So you can use these temporary numbers to create your new account. Once your account is created, to get the OTP code, you can come back to the same website. In the inbox section, you will receive the OTP. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.